Hello friends, welcome back to another video on my channel of Debneel's Mathematics Desk. So as you can see, today we are back with the second part of data handling after a long period of time actually. So this is the largest gap I have been taken between two videos. The reason, well, that day I told you means if you check my videos regularly, I had my English paper. So it was on 20th, and just today I had my biology paper and it was insane. English paper it went all right, and biology also went right for me, but it was too hard. The questions, that's it. So it took me time to study, and also the exams haven't ended yet. I have my final paper of chemistry on 24th, so I may be absent on tomorrow for the videos. But today I thought that I shouldn't waste much more time and get back to my videos on YouTube. So data handling part 2. In part 1 we learned about what else? Frequency distribution table. We learned range, how to form a table, different types of data, how we can convert a jumbled data into a frequency distribution table. And we learned that in a frequency distribution table we have a data column. The respective units of the data set are represented there. We have a tally column and a frequency column. Frequency is the number of times each data has been used, that is the frequency of each data. And tally, writing the number of frequency just using sticks. Like you have frequency 4, then 4 sticks. Frequency 7, then I just remember that 1, 2, 3, 4 from middle, cut it down 5, another 2 sticks. 5 plus 2, 7. Can maximum take up to 5 units, and then if it's 11, then you have to take 2 times 5 and then 1 stick. That's how you do it. We learned that. We learned how to do that. And I told you that maybe that was the most important part of data handling, but we have some more related concepts to this chapter. So as the chapter is data handling, so there are some other ways we can handle data in other processes. What are they? A type of process that is the main part of today's video, and the only part of today's video actually, to be precise, that is mean. Mean? What do you mean by this word mean? Let me just call it average. Okay, it's nothing. You know average, if you have some values given to you, add up all those values divided by number of values you have, that is your average. So they are means giving it a different term, mean, that's all. So mean, it is actually equal to, and here all the respective data values we are considering as observations. Okay, I'm writing number as NO. Okay, so this is the means formula you all know, I think, for average, and that is actually mean. Mean is the other name of average, you can just say. From this formula, we can, if we do cross multiplication, then we can just tell that sum of observations. I'm writing sum of observations as obs. Will be what? Mean multiplied by total number of observations. Writing in short form saves your time, and we know that in maths it's not about writing statements, it's about solving the sums. Yeah. So this formula is going to come in super handy. We will see how we can deal with this formula, and we will learn through the process of all the sums a few more properties of mean. Considering our properties, we will not go to it directly. Let's first do a few sums on this formula only, and then we will directly see how the properties are used. So here I go. The question 1 is here. It's simple. Find the mean of first and odd natural numbers. Find mean of first 10 odd natural. My pen is not working actually. So it makes sense to buy a new one, right? Yes, I will. But how can I write otherwise? Now don't ask me what are the first and odd natural numbers. So what are the first and odd natural numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Wait, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. So these are the first non-natural numbers if I am not wrong. Yeah. What to do? Mean is what? So sum of all of these, which you will get if you calculate the sum. Plus 4 plus 5, 9, 6, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. Wait, it's 100? Is that right? 4, 5, 9, 7, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 100. So sum is 100. Sum of all the observations divided by total number of observations. Then how many numbers are there? 10. So number of observations is 10. Do this easy subtract. What is that? Cancellation. You will get 10. Yeah, that's the answer. So how easy is that? You are given the statement. You take the first and all natural numbers. Mean is the sum of them by the number of observations. 10 numbers are there obviously. That's it. You got the answer. Easy. Let's move on. The same kind of question, the next one. Only that I may change the statement a bit. It's like this. Find a mean. All of a sudden my pen is like going super smooth. Of these possible values for x. Nothing guys, it's the simple, this normal mean calculation is going to be. So some values are given to us. And the most troublesome part is it's in decimals. So the sum, it will take us a bit of time. Oh wait. Okay. 15.4. 13.7, 11.71. Don't give in decimals. It doesn't make any sense. Means if they are trying to increase the difficulty by just putting decimals, so our addition becomes horrible. That's no meaning. Just give a hard, means the logic should be hard, right? Why giving decimals? I don't like that. Let's give normal numbers. Then you have 12.6, 12.8. Is actually in you means we are doing the class 7 video. So 7, 8, 9 and 10 I also think. Yeah. So you're not allowed to use calculator in school. Means there can be a calculator, scientific one, which is only used for means these type of operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. This can't be used. You have to do it on your own. But when you go to means after 10, pass your first board examination, then you're allowed to use calculators. So me being a student of class 11, I always do this using calculators, and that actually makes me do this addition quite smoothly, because I have seen how it can be calculated as well without the calculator. Means at the beginning when I was entering class 11, I didn't know that actually you can use calculators. Okay, so the first 3 months I did those crazy calculations, because in class 11 also this chapter is there, and I am telling you it has insane large values. So I calculated each of the values to get the answer. Means there you might have to have suppose 50 numbers like this, 292.5, 293.1, like this, means crazy, and I did that. Why I don't know. But here we can't do that. We have to calculate. 20.5, 21.1. So the question's logic is like a small 1-mark question where you have to find the mean. Simple. So mean, coming to that, this is equal to sum of all the observations, which I will now calculate. 19.8 plus 15.4, it is equal to 35.2. 35.2 plus 13.7 is equal to 48.9. 48.9 plus 11.71, my brain is freezing. 59.9. You have it 60.61. Alright. 60.61 plus 11.8, 72.41 plus 12.6, 85.01 plus 12.8, 97.81 plus 18.6, 116.41 plus 20.5, 136.91 plus 21.1, 107.91, 58.01. So it is equal to 158.01 divided by how many number of observations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's gonna be, yeah, 158.01. You know how that works, right? You have a 0 and a decimal. The decimal point shifts by, I didn't do anything here, I messed up. 15.801 is actually. Decimal point moves by one place to the left side. So wait guys, let me just check one thing. 1.1.9, 161, 3.41, 4.01, 4.81, 5.41, 5.91, 6.01. Yeah, 34, 47, 58, 69, 71, 93, 111, 131, 154. I think I did some mistake. I don't know. Calculation is not going right. Let me just calculate once more. Just in this one short time. 15.8 plus 15.4, 35.2. This is 48.9, 59.9, 60.061. Yeah. 61.41. Here I made the mistake, I think. 73.41, 74.01, 6.81, 105.41, 125.91. Something is not right. We just calculate it like a not. This is why I use calculator. It's crazy. Why are they doing that? I don't know. So we can do one thing here. First, let's calculate the decimal places. So if we calculate decimal places, 0.1, wait, 0.8, 0.8 plus 0.4, 1.2, yeah, 0.9, 2.61, 3.41, 4.01, 4.81, 5.41, 5.91 plus 0.1, 6.01, the decimal places count. And if you add the numbers, 9 plus 34 plus 13, 47 plus 11, 58 plus 7, 69 plus 12, 81, 93, 111, 131, 154. Is that? I am confused. 47, 58, 69, 81, 93, 111, and 31, 152. Yeah. Okay, actually it was coming right. 152 plus 6.01. You should have confidence in yourself. Don't do it like me. That's why it means we don't have this problem. We directly use a calculator. But you can do this. That's why I hate this kind of sums. Because of the decimal, it may take you some time. Beware. If you miss out on something, one trick which I used here. First of all, add the decimal places. Keep it as a sum. Then add these whole numbers. Whole number sum plus decimal number sum equal to the total sum. You can do that. And that's the answer, mean. That's quite easy to find. Sum by total number of observations. Easy. Now we are heading to a very important property of mean. So this is a question. The mean of a certain number of observations is 6, not 62. What was that? Hello, I'm not writing observations. Okay, I'm writing obs. Takes up quite long space. Come on, I need to write the A's as well. Don't be that lazy. Ah, find resulting mean if. This is the interesting part. You may see there are some properties of each of the data values. We will see what are they. First, let's talk about this property. It is like this. If you do something to any one of your friends, suppose you punch him, then all of his other friends will punch you. That's the kind of love they have. So if on any of these observations for which this mean is 32, you do something to the observations, then the mean will also change. That's like that. So we will understand what is it. How does it work? Each wait. If each observation, there are three cases here in this question. One, increased by 3, increased by 60%, decrease by 20%. My pen is tired. Okay. So what can it be? That's quite crazy because we don't know what are the observations and how many observations are there as well. We don't know nothing. We know that the mean of certain number of observations is 32. Now the property. What is it? For a certain number of observations you have a mean. If each of the operations, each of the observations is changed by some mathematical operation, then that mean is also changed by that same mathematical operation. Means if you have, suppose the mean of first 5 natural numbers, which is 1 2 3 3 6 4 15 by 5 3, and you increase each of those observations, means the natural numbers, by 3, then the actual mean will also get increased by 3. Whatever mathematical operation you do for each of the observations, on doing that, the mean also changes by that same mathematical operation. That's the main concept. So here, in the first case, if each of the observations is increased by 3, then the original mean is also increased by 3. Therefore, resulting mean in first case, that's how easy it is. 32 plus 3, 35. I am just giving you that example of natural numbers. Mean of first 5 natural numbers is 15 by 5, 3. Okay, keep it in one side. Now, you add 3 to each of the natural numbers. Then the resulting natural numbers become 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, what is the mean of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? 4 plus 5, 9, plus 6, 15, plus 7, 23. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? 4 plus 5, 9, plus 6, 15, 7, 22, 8, 30. Now, the mean of these numbers 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is what? 30 by 5, 6. So original mean was 3. Now the mean is 6. So it is also increased by 3, which is what? the amount by which we increased each of the natural numbers. That's the way you do it. I explained you. Any mean of certain natural numbers, or no, any mean of certain number of observations. If on each of the observations a certain mathematical operation is done, then the resulting mean will be the same mathematical operation on the original mean. Just remember that. Then coming to the second case. Now if each observation is increased by 60%, if each observation is increased by 60%, then the original mean will also get increased by 60% to get the resultant mean. Yep. See, a concept can make your answer in one line. So 32 means the mean is increased by 60%, right? So you know how to increase a number, I hope. X increased by y% equal to x plus y% of x. This is 32 plus 60% or 60 by 100 of means multiply 32 equal to, now some calculations, 32 plus, this is 192 by 10, 19.2 and 51.3. So easy. You do anything on each of the observations, if you do the same to the original mean, the resultant mean is on your answer sheet. Now the third part, same. Now each observation is decreased by 20%. So the original mean will also be decreased by 20%. So resultant mean, we are going to have some fun. I am telling you. This is interesting, right? Means can be hard if you don't know the concept. But once you know it, just like the first question, a simple addition and you get the answer. If you are thinking that this question is 3 marks, I don't believe it. Come on, only a 1 marks question. This is so one line answer. Only one concept. So 1 mark should be there for this question. Difficulty is like that. If you know the property, the difficulty is a big zero. No difficulty. So resulting mean will be what? Original mean decreased by 20% because each observation is decreased by 20%. So x decreased by y% means x minus y% of x, which is 32 minus, oh not 60, it's 20 I think. 20% means 20 by 100 of means multiplication 32. Equal to 32 minus, cut this down, 64 by 10, 6.4. That's gonna be, what is it, 25.6 I think. Just reverse it, plus 6.4, yeah. Finished, that's it. So what is the concept? If for a certain number of numbers, the mean is, there is a certain mean, and to each of those observations you do a mathematical operation, then to get the resultant mean, the original mean has to be supplied with the same mathematical operation. Just like in these cases, each observation increased by 3, so original mean is also increased by 3. The mathematical operation is increasing by 3. That's it. Do it like that, you will succeed. Now let's move on. Very nice, I hope. And means just before 10 days it was super cold. Now I'm sweating. So I'm going to on the fan. Give me 1 second. Now it's better. Should keep your health right. Smooth, healthy, right? So that's it. Now, low standard algebra for you here. Mean of eight, 10, 7, x plus 2. Look, what is this x plus 2? Joe, what can I tell? comma 6 is 9. Find x. Means I think that before the finishing of my writing the question, many of you solve the question. Nothing I can do. I have to solve it as well. So what do you know? Mean is what? Sum of observations. So mean equal to the sum of these observations. So x plus, now add the numbers, 8, 10, 18 plus 7, 25, and my brain is not working, I know. 10, 18 plus 7, 25 to 27, 633 divided by sum by total number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the mean is given to us as 9, so I can substitute mean as 9. I hope this is going to be 2 cross multiplication or x plus 33 or 9 into 5 45, or x equal to 45 minus 33 equal to 12. Goodbye. Easy. What I did, I put it in the normal mean method, that is sum of all these numbers 8, 10, 7, x plus 2 comma 6, which is x plus 33, divided by number of observations, which is 5 numbers are there. Now the mean is already given to us, so I can substitute that here. So the mean 9 is equal to this. Do cross multiplication, x plus 33 equal to 9 into 5 45, x equal to 45 minus 33 12. That's it. Simple. Using the method of mean to find the unknown value. This can only be possible when you are given the mean of the numbers. Otherwise you can't find x. Means it's going to be impossible. What I can tell. Next one please. Let's see. Smooth roller coaster, it's going like that, in which we can't control the speed, it keeps increasing because it's so easy. Find the mean of first 5 prime numbers. You get a prime answer. This is going to be easy. So again, that's like a first question. That was for natural numbers. This is for prime numbers. First 5 prime numbers are what? 2 the even prime, 3, 5, 7, 11. What are prime numbers? Who have the factors 1 and the number itself. Can't be divided by any other number. If divided, it will always leave a remainder. This is quite known to you all. These are the first 5 prime numbers then. So mean will be the sum of these observations. 2 plus 3 5 plus 5 10 plus 7 17 plus 11 28 will be 30. 2 3 5 5 10 7 17 11 28 is correct. Divided by number of observations 5. 28 by 5, quick maths. 5.6. 5.6. This is it. So easy. Give some difficult questions. We don't like these hard, easy questions. Till now, if you forcibly tell that the third question was only a question of 3 marks because of 3 parts. Logic was of 1 mark, difficulty 0, easy property. And the others were 1 mark questions. And if possible, half mark questions. That's how easy they are. But I think it's going to get harder. Whenever you come to the ending sums of a video, expect something to do. The mean of 6 numbers. This is a good question. I like it. The way they have framed it. X minus 5, x minus 1, x. It's a good question. You will understand why. It's not a straight cut question. There's two parts actually. So we don't like x. We always want to know its value. And then mistakenly, guys, I put it as 2. It is 12. It's 15. Find the natural number mean. Wait, not natural number. Find the mean. Yes, I don't know why I wrote natural number of first 4 numbers. This is going to be a good question. I think it's a 3 marks question. Actually, 2 marks. So just like the previous question where we did what? Not the previous, the fourth question. Where we found the value of x because the numbers were given and the mean was given. Similarly here, first of all, find the value of x. So here mean is given, mean is given 15 is equal to sum of these numbers. So then do that. X plus x 2x plus x 3x plus x 4x 4x. Then add the numbers minus 5 minus 1 minus 6 minus 6 plus 12. Quick maths, quick maths. Oh wait, I think I missed out on something. Yeah, I missed it. X plus 2 and x plus 4 are crying in the corner. There are 2 more numbers. This is actually what it is. So just see it, there are 2 more numbers, x plus 2, x plus 4. Then something else will happen. This is not 4x. First of all, add the x terms, x plus x 2, x plus x 3, x plus x 4x, 5x, 6x. Then minus 5 minus 1 minus 6 plus 2 minus 4 plus 4 0 plus 12 12. So 6x plus 12 divided by number of observations, obviously 6 numbers, or 15 equal to, here you can take 6 common. And just divide this. That's right. If you take 6 common, x plus 2 and just cancel it, then x will be what? 15 minus 2? 13. So we got x. How? Mean is given to us equal to sum of the numbers, which is 6x plus 12 divided by number of observations, which is 6 numbers obviously. Then get x like this. Now what you will do? Then first 4 numbers are what? First one is x minus 5, 13. X is 13, so 13 minus 5, 8. Next one is x minus 1, 13 minus 1 is 12. Next one is x, 13. Next one is x plus 2, 13 plus 2, 15. These are the first 4 natural numbers, first 4 numbers. That's the use of finding x. If you find x, you can get this absolute numbers. Mean, then we have been told to find the mean of these only. So sum of these numbers 8 plus 12 20 plus 13 33 plus 15 48. The number of divisions, 4 numbers obviously, for 4 12, and that's your answer. So this is a 2 marks question actually, if you see properly. Can be 3 marks as well, but I think it's 2 marks. What do? First, find out x how. Mean of these numbers is 15. So 15, the mean equal to sum of these numbers, 6x plus 12, divided by number of observations, which is 6, and get x from there. Then find the first four natural numbers like this: x minus 5, 13 minus 5, which is 8, x minus 1, 13 minus 1, 12, x 13, x plus 2, 13 plus 2, 15. First four numbers these are. Their mean, sum of the numbers by number of observations, 48 by 4, 12. Got that. So finding x and getting the mean of the new numbers. Two processes, so 2 marks question obviously. Easy. Get out. Actually, I'm not continuing this video beyond this much because see, there's something else which you shouldn't reveal everything in one video, right? Means I have a good plan that if we do like that, mean in one video, median in one video, mode in one video, to take us for an eternity. So actually I am thinking that we have a few concepts of mean left. So the next video we will just finish mean in the first 10 to 15 minutes, and then median easy. So few sums on it only. We will do that as well. So we will see what is median and means, new concepts in the next video. So for today, if you found the initial concepts of mean, which is that mean average equal to sum of the numbers, a total number of observations, that is it. And the conversion formula you can see, cross multiplication, you have done that. Also another property of mean, what is it? If for a certain number of observations we have a certain mean, and we do a mathematical operation on each of the initial observations, then the original mean will also be operated by the same mathematical operation to get the resultant mean. Like that question where you had a certain number of observations, mean is 32, then if each of the observations is increased by 3, then original mean will also get increased by 3. 32 plus 3, 35. We did that. Those were the concepts that we did, and we did a few sums. Nothing else. See you in the next video where we will learn some new concepts of mean and median. What is median? How we can find median for odd number of observations, even number of observations, and many things. See you in the next video with a lot of new concepts. Till then, take care and goodbye. And hopefully 24th is the last day of my exam. So from then on, I will be regular. On each day I will upload videos. So if I have no exam, I am free. So I will upload videos regularly. So don't worry about that. Let's hope that my chemistry exam goes well. See you soon. Take care and goodbye. Thank you.